HMI panels are valuable tools that are used by operators and engineers worldwide to visualize and monitor the process, provide control targets and set points, execute programs and initiate sequences, and troubleshoot problems via trends, alarms, and events. In this video, you will learn what common features should I consider when choosing an HMI, what the differences are in a variety of HMI panels offered by top manufacturers, how do I determine which HMI panel is the best for my application. HMI is short for Human-Machine Interface. Just as the acronym implies, these panels provide a visual interface between the machine's equipment and process and the operator or engineer. Most plants use multiple HMI panels in locations that are convenient for the operator, and each is configured to provide the data that the operator needs at that location. I want to select an HMI panel that is right for my application. How do I choose the best HMI panel? The first consideration is display size. Do I need a panel that has a small screen, like 3 or 4 inches diagonally, or a larger screen, like 15 or 21 inches? HMI panels come in all sizes, typically from 3 inches to 25 inches. Do I want a touchscreen? Touchscreens are convenient and allow fast response, but they are more expensive than models with only function and arrow keys. Do I need color or monochrome? Color HMI panels are vivid and allow for status to easily be shown with colors, but monochrome units are less costly and very efficient for showing a small amount of data, like speed feedback or time left in a batch. What screen resolution is required to show sufficient graphic object details or allow display of many objects on the same screen? What about mounting? Should the HMI be flush-mounted in a panel, or on a pedestal, or be handheld? What kind of protection does the HMI require? IP67 to protect against splashing of liquids or outdoor installation? What interfaces do I require? Ethernet, Profinet, serial interfaces for laboratory instruments, RFI scanners, or barcode readers? And do I require multiple interface types? What are my software requirements? Do I need OPC, or a specialized driver to access data from my controllers? Do I need to run custom programs on the HMI terminal to support plant operations, like barcode software or inventory application interfaces? Does the HMI need to support Windows and its file system, or will the vendor's HMI application be sufficient? Now, I will look at HMI panels for several different scenarios. Let's say I need an HMI panel that has at least a 12-inch touchscreen, but can scale seamlessly to other HMI panels of various sizes. I also want to be able to create HTML-based graphics from within Siemens TIA Portal software and integrate easily with my existing S7 1500 programs. I need network security built into the panel and have automatic program backup. The HMI panel needs to be high performance and have bright, clear graphics. I need to connect the panel to the network using Profinet. What is the best panel to meet these requirements? I see that the new line of Siemens Unified Architecture Comfort Panel HMIs can exactly meet my needs. I think the MTP 1200 is the perfect HMI panel for this application. Even more, the programs written for the HMI panel can be used on MTP panels of different sizes, without modification. But what if my needs are more basic, and my budget is tight? If integration with Siemens TIA Portal is my main concern, then the KTP 1200 Basic Comfort HMI panel is just what I need. Not as advanced as the MTP 1200, but still powerful, fast, and configurable like the Unified Architecture HMI panels. The KTP Basic panels are value-priced, but are still rugged and have great performance characteristics. Suppose I have an HMI in a tank farm, and I want an HMI panel that can communicate with my controller wirelessly. Which HMI can I use to meet this need? Maple Systems has a rugged, versatile HMI panel in an IP65 rated enclosure with Wi-Fi connectivity. The HMI 5103L has a 10-inch touchscreen, a bright LCD display, and can operate on 24 volts DC for safety and convenience. This is the perfect HMI for monitoring tank levels and other tank farm sensors and equipment in the field. What if I need to connect my HMI to an Ethernet IP network, as I would for a Rockwell Automation PLC, and connect a device like a barcode reader for a weigh and dispense system? The answer may be to choose a Panel View Plus 7 standard model with a 9-inch display to monitor the weighing process. If I have the same need, but need a fully compliant panel for use in a clean room environment, like for a pharmaceutical plant, I can choose the Panel View Plus 7 stainless steel performance model. And if I need to operate in a hazardous environment, the Armor View Plus 7 model is a perfect choice, with an IP66 rated enclosure that does not need to be mounted in a panel. Each of these terminals support a fault-tolerant ring Ethernet network topology for reliability and performance. In this video, I have shown you some of the most common features of HMI panels, from size to interface possibilities, along with a variety of panel designs from top manufacturers. So, with all the cool features, variety of interfaces, and software choices, what truly is the best HMI panel for your application? The answer is the one that best fits your requirements and your budget. If you have any questions regarding selecting the right HMI panel for your application, add them in the comment below this video, and our automation engineers with 20+ years of experience will surprise you with a detailed, in-depth answer to your question. Also, if you need to order any of the Siemens HMI panels, you can check out marketplace.realpars.com.